called it outdated, backward, even pseudoscience. But today, the same West is secretly researching India's 5,000-year-old medicinal system, Ayurveda. Why? Because the future of medicine might actually lie in our ancient past. Decades ago, Ayurveda was dismissed by many modern scientists as superstition. But quietly, behind closed doors, elite research labs in Germany, Japan, and even the US are studying Ayurvedic herbs for solutions to diseases modern medicine can't solve. Ayurveda, meaning the science of life, is a complete system of medicine born in ancient India. It balances the body, mind and spirit using herbs, diet and natural therapies with principles written in texts like the Charaka Samhita and Sushruta Samhita thousands of years ago. Ayurveda, an ancient Indian healing system, has been around for thousands of years, emphasizing holistic wellness and natural remedies. This approach has made Ayurveda a timeless practice, still widely relevant today. Did you know that Sushruta, the father of surgery, described over 300 surgical procedures and 120 surgical instruments? 2,600 years before modern surgical tools existed, rhinoplasty nose surgery was first done in ancient India. Today, herbs like ashwagandha, brahmi, giloy and turmeric are being tested in labs for their effects on anxiety, immunity, cancer, and even Alzheimer's. Many big pharma companies are filing patents on these ancient herbs. Germany has over 100 Ayurvedic wellness centers. America offers Ayurvedic courses in Ivy League colleges. Even the WHO has set up a global center for traditional medicine in India, acknowledging its importance. Take, for instance, the story of someone who found new life through Ayurveda. This person's journey is a testament to the practice's potential. They were struggling with chronic health issues, but after turning to Ayurveda, they experienced a significant transformation. Their story isn't unique, but it's compelling, showcasing how Ayurveda can address health challenges in a meaningful way. The growing interest in Ayurveda isn't just a trend, it's a shift towards a more holistic view of health. As people seek more natural and sustainable ways to live, Ayurveda stands out for its comprehensive approach to wellness. It encourages a lifestyle that's in harmony with nature, something many of us are striving for today. India gave the world this science, but while the world studies and profits from it, we often ignore it. It's time to revive our roots, invest in Ayurvedic research, and make India the global leader in holistic health again. The world is returning to where we began, because true wisdom doesn't age, it only waits to be rediscovered. What do you think? Indian ancient hidden knowledge has been overlooked. Share your opinion and this video to your friends and encourage me to create more hidden secrets of India.